Yes, this analytic method generally we use mostly in geometry to prove the theorems. We know already the Pythagoras theorem or whatever it may. So many theorems are there. To prove the theorems, generally we use this analytic method widely, and we use this method in algebra to prove the theorems, whatever it may be. Especially if you take the some logarithm problems, 2 into something some log of a plus b is equal to 2 log a square plus stuff. This to solve this type of problems are the problems which are given, like if a by b is equal to c by d, then automatically this type of problems can be solved using this analytical method. So so many examples we can take to use this analytic method, which are mostly are widely using in teaching mathematics. Then what are the merits of this, or merits or the advantages of this analytic method? So it is we can say this is a psychological method, and it is not a cramming method, and it develops the power of thinking and reasoning. It develops the power of thinking and reasoning, and it develops the qualities like creativity and originality among the learners, and the learners can understand the concept very clearly without any doubts, and the less homework will be given to the learners, so they will get some advantage in learning the theorems. But it is a laborious process, and it can be used mostly in the to higher level, and the students cannot participate. Students will also participate maximum in the proving of all the theorems. The students participation will be more in this analytical approach or method, and knowledge whatever gained by this method by the students will be durable, and always the eternal. This whatever the knowledge they will get will be durable and eternal and more solid also. So this is useful to teach the concepts in detail, especially at the higher level. What are yes, what are the demerits or the limitations of this analytic method? Let us see. So it is first time consuming method, and the teachers cannot succeed in this method because it is very laborious, and it is a stressful teaching method to the teachers, and it is very lengthy teaching method, and the students sometimes may not show the interest to listen the topics. Some they may diverted, and it is uneconomical and time consuming, and not suitable to teach all the topics whatever we are using in higher sections, especially in the school education, and it's not so favorable to all the students. It is suitable to only the high intellectual students and intellectual students. All the teachers cannot success by using this teaching method in teaching of mathematics. This is it has some good advantages and some disadvantages, even though, but it is most useful to teach in algebra, arithmetic, especially geometry, right? With this, the method of teaching method, analytic teaching method is concluded. It has a good method to teach mathematics at the higher level, but it is not suitable and not proper to teach the concepts at the primary level, and the students who are not performing well, or the students who are below achievers, it is not suitable, and it is not suggestible to the students, and it's not favorable to the students who are below average.